Hey, Patric Chan, and I'm going to show you how I will be able to write a sales copy for a product. The product can be a service, a book, anything that you want to sell in probably less than 30 minutes without copywriting skill and experience. Quite a challenge, right? So here's how to do it. The AI sales copywriter. Now, this is an in-house software that has been built for me to write my sales copy. So it has all of the key elements of how I will write a sales copy. Let's start. Click Salesletter headline. Now, let's say you want to write a sales copy to promote a course teaching people how to trade crypto. So let's go ahead and do this. How to invest in crypto by learning how to spot the latest opportunity. Let's say this is the niche market, and the target audience, it can be anyone. So let's say we want to choose parents, and then the writing style, let's say we use persuasive. Click generate. So now you have the headline: discover how savvy parents are cashing in on crypto. Learn to spot the latest opportunities and secure your family's financial future. And if you don't want this, you can try a different one. Let's say we use educational. Click generate. How to invest in crypto, spot the latest opportunities and secure your family's future. Let's say we want to have this, right? I'm just going to copy this and paste it here for my own reference later on, and click here to craft the subheadline. And you just need to say what kind of writing style you want. So let's say we use excitement. We want to create more excitement based on that headline. Click generate. Unlock the secrets to crypto success. Discover the cutting edge technique to identify profitable opportunities today. Copy to clipboard. So now we have our subheadline here. Okay. And this can be the headline and this can be the pre-headline. It's up to you how you want to put it. Let's make this, let's say this is the pre-headline. Then just click here to craft the opener. So the opener here, the same process, choose your writing style. Okay, so let's say we want it to be more, perhaps less selling and more relaxed. Let's say it's conversational. Click on generate. So now we have the introduction. If you're looking for a surefire way to secure your financial future by investing in crypto, then this may be the most important letter you have ever read. Imagine having the knowledge to spot lucrative opportunities that could provide for your family's needs for years to come. Suppose you were told the whole truth about crypto investing that could unlock the gates to financial freedom and lasting securities. Pretty awesome, right? Okay, now let's say you want it to be different. That's all right. We can just change this to be, perhaps you want it to be friendly style. Click generate. Now you will see it's a bit different. How many times each week do you worry about your family's financial security with no clear solution? If you are ready to discover cutting edge techniques to spot valuable crypto investments, read on. All right. Now you can see that the copy is very intelligent because we say it is for parents. Therefore, it's identifying mainly what is the common reason why parents would want to seek more income streams or would want to have other opportunities. It's usually for the family. Okay, this is how powerful AI is. So let's say we want this, just copy to clipboard, and then I'm just going to paste it here. Let's just change this to smaller font, shall we? All right. Okay, so we have the introduction copy all done, and then we just going to click here to write your story. Basically, the story of how it leads to the product. Again, all of this is the anatomy of a sales copy. The same flow, the same system, the same sales letter skeleton that how I would write a converting sales copy. So let's say the story is I've been scammed by crypto gurus and lost my savings. Now I'm just making this up, just an example. I'm not asking you to put this. You should write your real story and let AI blend into your entire sales copy. Because of that, I quit my job to work in the largest crypto exchange called Binance to learn how and succeed. Okay, and then writing style, let's say we use conversational because it's like telling a story. I mean, it can be anything. I'm just choosing this for our demonstration. Click generate. I know how it feels to be scammed. I once trusted so-called crypto gurus and lost my entire savings. It was devastating. But instead of giving up, I made a bold decision. I quit my job and joined Binance, the largest crypto exchange in the world. I immersed myself in the industry, learning the ins and outs, and finally started to see success. And so on, okay? Copy to clipboard. Are you seeing what I am doing here right now? Of course, we don't have to put dear friend. So I'm writing the copy. Of course, later on we can polish it, put spacing and so on. But all it takes is basically answering some questions, putting the parameters accordingly, and your sales letter is being written. Click here to continue with the product intro. So this is where we put the product's name. I'm just going to make it up a name and simply put, let's say we call this Parent Crypto Profit. Now, obviously, this is not the best name ever, but let's just call this Parent Crypto Profit Cost, okay? And product and features, basic, describe your product features and benefits. Okay, so this is where you need to put as much information as you can, but because I am just doing a demonstration, I'm just going to put 2 or 3 sentences. The more I can fit into the AI engine, the better the copy is going to be. But just for demonstration, step-by-step cost, and the unique part of the cost is, so I'm just going to type it in point form, suitable for parents who are balancing their budget for investment and for family expenses. It's from my own experience, and maybe another point could be it only requires $100 to start trading. I'm just making this up, right? So let's go on from here. And writing style, let's say we use technical and detailed. Click generate. Ta-da! Introducing the Parent Crypto Profit Course, your comprehensive guide to navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency investment. This step-by-step course is uniquely designed for parents who are striving to balance the investment with family financial commitments. Through my own personal journey, I've crafted a curriculum that is both practical and sensitive to the financial demands of parenthood. So, got this done. Copy, and then we go over here and then we paste. So of course here you could have your own subheadline like introducing the Parent Crypto Profit Cost, right? Then this is just how the sales copy could look like before you put it on the web page to go live. Then we click here to create the product's bullets point. This is so powerful because it's going to help you to write automatically here. So number of bullet points, let's say we just want to have 10 and click generate. Alright, so these are all the bullet points that you can use, and this will be information where it takes from the previous copy, and if you have anything specific you can add here and it will be more accurate. And of course you go through here and then you just change accordingly based on what you'll be covering in the course. So now it's done, copy, and I could come back here and I could say something like here's what you will learn in the course. Just paste. Alright, so let's do one final one to show to you how we can continue here to make it so easy. So the bullet points are automatically here right now. Call to action, buy now, writing style urgent, or maybe we can say confidence boosting because we don't want it to be too salesy, so to speak. Click generate. Okay, so we have this, copy here, get over here and paste here. So this would be the another subheadline. Alright, this is how I can write a sales copy in 30 minutes. And probably this sales copy would be better than any junior copywriter. And then after that, you can just go through it and polish it to customize it a bit further so that it has your personality, so to speak. And then maybe you can add in more information that are specific that you want to say where the AI doesn't know. Alright, and you have a sales copy to start selling your product. Now go ahead and check out this software. This is an amazing, powerful tool that you can use immediately. There should be a link somewhere on this video here. Click that and get the software right now. Oh yeah, oh by the way, just so you know, if you did get this tool right now, what I've just shown to you is just the AI sales copy that can write your sales letter. But the fact is, our Z AI writer has so many other kinds of writer that can help you to not just create content but also for marketing material so that you can build your digital business quite conveniently right now. Have fun with the tool. Click the button and join now.